Hello everyone. QRMP scheme is introduced by the government, and along with QRMP scheme, invoice furnishing facility is also introduced, and all of us are facing a lot of problem in this functionality. The reason is that in IFF we are supposed to upload the B2B invoices and CDNR. In monthly return we are supposed to upload the rest of the invoices. So it's a quite cumbersome and very difficult process to filter the invoices, that is B2B invoices every month, and then filter all other invoices at the end of the quarter. So a lot of us are facing a lot of problem because that cumbersome process is resulting into so many errors. And now on, any error in GSTR1 can lead to the cancellation of the registration of your business, or it may lead to the notices from the side of department. So here I will discuss a very simple process to file, to upload the IFF, upload the invoices into IFF, and then file it in very easy three simple steps. So we will do it using the ClearText software. Let me share my screen. So here, first of all, you need to log in on the ClearText portal and click on filing of return. Once you will click on it, you will be able to select the IFF functionality, and then you can clearly search your client from here only. Select the period, and after selecting the period, you are just required to import your data. So there are so many options to import the data, but the most prominent option is from the government Excel. It's quite easy from the government Excel. You can also use the teleconnector. It's very good product, and it's very easy to import the data using the teleconnector. Once you import your entire data, you will also be able to compare it with the data in the tally. And the most important thing is that the invoices which are required to be filed in IFF and the invoices which are supposed to be filed in quarterly return in the March month, say January or March, they will be automatically filtered from each other. So once you verify the data from your tally data, you can just click on upload the data on GSTN. And once you will click on it, you will be able to log in at your GSTN portal, enter your CAPTCHA like we are doing it all of the time. And now you can file your return, file your IFF from here. It's quite simple and easy. So you can file it with EVC or with the DSC. You can select the option as per your requirement, or as it is mandatory for the companies and others to file it with DSC only. So now you can see on the portal, it's entirely automated process. You just click on submit IFF. Enter your OTP. This is also a good thing. Like you can just work on the data of another client, and once the OTP is required, it will prompt you. So from here only, you can directly send an email to your client also that their IFF has been filed. So it's quite simple and easy. You will be able to file it, and then you will be able to inform it to your client instantly once you file it. So I hope it will be quite simple and easy process, only in 3 steps, and it's very user friendly. So as you can see, it's quite simple and easy, only 3 steps, and you can very easily file your IFF. IFF is very important, as we will be able to transfer our credit to our buyers only if we file it correctly. So I hope it would be useful for you. Thank you so much, everyone.